Hey guys, welcome back to automation, and today we are going to talk about the topic how to create test cases manually. Till now we performed all our creation of test cases through record and play, but now going forward we will be doing it manually. So let's go ahead and open our IDE. We already have a test case to register a user. Okay, what this test case will do is it will go to the site Mercury Tours. Okay, this is a site, and it will go ahead and register a user. The user's name will be Mercury. We'll create a new test case now. Okay, and let the first test case be login. So yeah, remember all the steps going forward now will be done manually. So right click and new test case, go to the test case properties and give a name to it. Let's give it a login. Let's insert our first command. Our first command will be open. The parameter for open is a URL, so let's give a welcome page URL. Okay, after we open a URL, I guess the first step will be to verify if our page has opened up. So right click on the web page, show all commands. Okay, in this context menu you can assert the title of the web page. Okay, I don't need this select window. Okay, so after we assert our title, we now need to enter a username in the username field and password in a password field. So click on a new step. The command will be type. Okay, our target. Now if you know the properties of this text box, you can enter it manually, like ID is equal to something, or maybe name is equal to something. You know, maybe you can specify an XPath or maybe a CSS selector. If you do not know how to do that, okay, for now we will be using this option called select. Click on it, and as you can see, you can choose any element on the web page. We will be selecting our username text box field. Okay, so you can verify if the correct element has been selected by just clicking on find. The element will be highlighted in yellow color. Okay, now the value which we need to type is Mercury. I'll follow the same step for the next password field as well. The only change will be in the target. Then I'll have to click on sign in, so click. The target will be my sign in. Okay, and we just type this manually, Mercury. Once you sign in, okay, you definitely will need to verify if the page has loaded. So right click, show all available commands and assert the window title. Okay, let us run this test case. Okay, but it has failed on the last step. Why is it so? When you use the option, okay, or the command click, it performs the click operation and it moves on to the next step. Okay, now as you can see, the page is still being loaded. So it went to assert the title of the next page. Okay, but the page was not opened up, so it gave a fail. So instead of using the option click, the command click, use click and wait. What this will do is, after clicking on any element, it will wait for the page to be loaded again. Okay, only once the page is loaded will the next command be executed. If you are using this command on any element and the page does not load, this command will fail. So this command click and wait shall only be used when a new page is being loaded or the same page is being refreshed. Okay, so now if I run this test case, it should pass. It'll come on this particular command and it will keep waiting for the new page to be loaded. It's taking a bit of time, maybe because my net is slow. Okay, so let us write one more test case, okay, in order to book a flight. So I'll go about faster. New test case, properties, let's give it a name, book. Okay, the first option will be to select passengers, maybe, so use the option select. Okay, click on select and choose your drop down. Say I want to select 2 passengers. Okay, then I need to select the country from where I am departing from. So again the command will be select. A target will be departing from drop down. Okay, and let's choose London. Okay, London. So London is an option. Okay, let us see something of radio buttons. So for radio buttons, I need to click on this button called business class. So the option here is click. I should not choose click and wait because a new page is not being loaded here. Okay, our target will be a business class, and the last command shall be to click on this continue button. So now if I click on this, then a new page will be loaded, so I should choose click and wait. So that's it. Let me see what happens on the next page. I have to click on continue again, so I'll repeat this step but change my target. Okay, and the next page. Okay, in the next page I think you need to enter the first name and last name. Okay, but we have selected 2 passengers here, right? So let me just go back and back once more. Passengers, let me select London, select business class. Okay, first name, last name. Let me just go ahead and choose type. Type in my first name. Let me copy this 4 times. Select my last name. Select the first name. Select the last name. The value for the first name should be, say, John. Say Joe. Jack. Toe. Okay, and let us choose the option secure purchase. So I need to click and wait. After I select this, click on this button, secure purchase. Okay, once our booking is done, you need to verify this particular line. Your itinerary has been booked. So choose a new command, right click on this, show all commands, and let me assert for text. Assert text, your itinerary has been booked. The command has come here. Fine. Let me run the entire suite for registration, login, and then booking a flight. So I can choose this option, play the entire test suite. So using, it's pretty simple, guys. You don't need to do a lot of work here. Everything is done through IDE itself. There might come a time where certain elements or certain text boxes, buttons might not be recognized. For that we'll be using XPath and the other stuff. I will be talking about that later. The topic will be how to find out properties using Firebug and Firepath. Okay, so everything is being done, and yeah, our test suite has passed. If you have any questions regarding this particular test case or any other test case in particular, any commands, you can just mention them in your comments and I'll get back to you. Thank you.